What's up, everybody? So I'm doing a review on this Harbor Freight angle finder right here, and this is the item number. And the cool thing about this is that if you need to find an angle, you would just tilt it this way or tilt it that way, and you can get a really cool angle. And so it goes from 0 all the way to 90. And then from 90 back to 0, so it starts counting down. So pretty much like you can find any angle in almost any position. And then it comes with this magnet on the bottom here, and also this little groove channel right here. And so like if you need to, kind of like lock it into a corner, you can do that. So that's really cool. Really impressed by this little angle finder here. It's under $5 at Harbor Freight, so that's really cool. So if you're doing any type of like metal fabrication work and you need to find a quick angle, you can definitely use this. And so to test that, we're gonna use a leveler to see if it's at 90 and at 45. So we'll use, let's see here if we can pull this off. So as you can see here, 180, we're level, which is good. That means like if this were to tilt, if this bubble were to tilt, you'd see like that. So the needle is sometimes, especially, it sticks a little bit, but I went through a few of them, and you just got to find one that is pretty smooth. But the needle is pretty smooth. It works pretty good. And then, for example, like let's say the 45 here. So we'll try to get 45 for you. Ooh, right there. Yeah, see? So that's 45. So it's a cool angle finder. I like it. This is what I will use it for, to just kind of give you guys an idea. So for all you TIG welders out there, if you're trying to find that perfect grind angle, you can definitely use this and kind of see where your angle is going to be. Let's say you've been TIG welding and you've just totally ruined your tungsten, like this. And you can see here it's just like really bad. So what you would do is you would grind it. And so there's a few things out there on the internet that says, like what angle you should have for your tungsten. So let's say you want a 30-degree angle, but you're not sure where 30 degrees is at. Then I feel like this is a cool thing to have, because you can just throw this in your drill. And then, let's say you can even use it on this little angle right here. And so wherever you're, like, right before you drill, just if you want to get an idea of where that angle is, then, you can just find it from there. Or, if you want to switch it like this, just so you can see those degrees from 0 to 10, then you can just, say, okay, that's my angle for 30 degrees right there. And then boom, you know where your 30 degrees is, versus trying to guess like, oh, I think that's 30 degrees. Oh, maybe it's not, when actually you're maybe even closer to 15 degrees. So once again, this thing is really cool. And then you have this chart on the back right here that kind of shows like, just varying degrees and everything like that. And you have like your pitch and everything like that. So this is a very useful tool to have in your garage, just almost for anything. So just want to do a quick review on this angle finder. Probably one of the hidden gems at Harbor Freight, under $5, that you should pick up. So hope this has been helpful. See you guys later.